This lab makes the drone follow a moving object. On the Pi, the camera is checked and MAVSDK is installed. On the laptop, SITL supplies the simulated drone the script will fly. The Pi's IP address is read off first, then PX4's console bridges MAVLink to it over the network. A second session starts the MAVSDK server. On a Pi, it won't launch itself reliably, so starting it manually avoids a hang. The script finds the target by color, hands it to a tracker, then converts its distance from the frame center into velocity commands that pull the drone back over it. The script runs and the connection comes up. The drone takes off and follows the target. Brief losses stop it, longer ones trigger the watchdog, and it holds. After 30 seconds, the run ends and the drone returns to launch.